Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Chamblee, local and long-distance movers near me. Interstate or intercountry moving is an overwhelming process that will attract high costs and handful of stress. However, with our professional long-distance movers, you can enjoy a smooth and swift transition to your new home. We incorporate innovative technology and expertise to ensure we deliver your belongings on time and securely. Our long-distance moving services are diversified for all Chamblee residents. What makes us outstanding as long-distance professional movers is our standard moving prices with no hidden costs. We provide all of our clients with upfront moving rates, and we also offer discounts for all of our clients. Our long-distance moving packages entails the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Are you planning to move across the street or transition from one home to another? We are experienced local Georgia and Chamblee movers who will ensure the transition process is streamlined. Our packaging services offer total security to your belongings. When you hire a professional moving company such as 3 Movers, you get a team ready to help streamline your local move. While it might take you a few days to complete the local move without help, we can get you moved within a few hours or a single day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chamblee moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.